Hello, good morning and good afternoon, my fellow crafters. Today we are making the cutest little craft together. We talked this week at Storytime about groundhogs because February 2nd is what? Groundhog Day, that's right. So you are going to make this adorable little groundhog with its field of flowers to frolic and play in after it comes up out of its hole, because of course you know the groundhog pops up and sees its shadow. That means we're going to have 6 more weeks of winter, and if he doesn't see his shadow, we will have an early spring. So what you're going to need and what you're going to get when you come up to do your curbside checkout, you're going to get a paper plate. You're going to get this sheet right here that's got a template for the groundhog's body and then the arms and ears. And you'll get these flowers and of course some googly eyes, because no groundhog is complete without googly eyes. What you're going to do when you get your supplies home, you're going to take this ordinary paper plate and you're going to fold it right in half and create that seam. And then what you're going to do after you have done that, you will cut out this shape right here that is the groundhog's body, and you're going to just lay it right here on the back side of your paper plate and take a crayon or a marker or a pencil and just trace right around that and then cut it out. And then you will have this part of your groundhog, and then you can color it in. You can color the arms and the ears and glue those on, as well as its cute little googly eyes. And then I just drew some cute little buck teeth. So it can play in the flowers that I glued on and colored in the grass behind it. So this is a really cute one. It's got a few more steps maybe than some of the other ones that we do, but I know that you are excellent crafters and you'll do a great job. I hope that you have enjoyed our Storytime video this week and have a lot of fun making your groundhog friend. We will see you soon. Have a great day.